Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, back again with more tips, tricks, and confidence. So check out the beard. I really did plan on letting it grow even longer and look more crazy, so the end result would look nicer and you guys will see a bigger transformation. But I actually have a lot of important events coming up. Some of them where I'll be on camera or not on camera. There's some like TV events that I just got invited to, and I cannot be caught slipping on TV looking like this, knowing how nice and sharp I can get these lines. But I am still gonna try to halfway, you know, let the beard grow in higher, and I'm gonna see what I can do. So I'm gonna try not to go back down to my original line right here, and I'm gonna see what I can do by lining it up here at the top, and you know, see if I can make it kind of even on both sides at least. And if I can, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the growth, you know what I'm saying? And I was gonna initially line up my beard using, you know, like something other than this. This is my go-to now, but I was gonna experiment and do something fun. But if I mess up, I really don't got time to be filling in patches or nothing like that on the spot when I got things to do. So I've already shaved my head off camera. Let me know, first of all, the first question I'm asking you, really do answer it in the comments. Are most of you guys here to see my head shaving videos or my beard grooming and maintenance and stuff like that? Because I think it's kind of mixed in. I don't even know if it's quite half and half. It's all related to grooming, so it all fits on this channel, but I want to make more content that you guys actually care to see. Most of you care to see. I'm still going to do both, but you know, I could have shaved my head on camera, but I decided to skip that because I think you guys want to see the beard this time. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and just get all the hair up off this neck. Y'all see it? And put a nice line on there. Let's go. I think this should definitely work out because this side is looking nice and full now. It's not as raggedy. And this side, even though it's not as dark right here, it actually does come to the same. It looks like, yeah, it's about even. I really didn't think it was going to be even, but it is. So that's pretty cool. Could tame up the beard and cut it down, cut the stragglies and stuff like that, but I think I might be saving that for another video since we are on the move today and we got to make sure we are on time for where we're getting ready to go. So I'll see you guys when we're ready to step out, or maybe when we pull up. Peace.